for her my main assembly. I'll be very frank with you guys. I feel say a branch here Ibrawan no he needs medical attention. That's what I think. Ibrawan Edin Sembi Ababa Betuja Endra Kennedy Japan ebe cancer fan ho nkofo expose no. Ibrawan has started speaking on the Snapchat so okwa ensemo awatro no, some of them very serious. In fact, Ibrawan reveal Kennedy Japan numbers. Kennedy Japan numbers be 4. Ibrawan atro numbers ni na ato the Snapchat so a me sure say nkofo be peke a wo mo be frɛ Kennedy Japan aha na kra keke. Etie for enye easy. Aside that no, Ibrawan has written a lot of things about Kennedy Japan, a lot of damning things. Now, somewhere Ibrawan atro no ebi wo ho a threat to even the president Akufo-Addo. Now, for I'll just read some of the things Ibrawan has said. Now, we who said that be baby again do no minim but say Kennedy Japan say within 2 days obema yakwa akɔkye Ibrawan. Some people are also speaking. Some people who know the matter are speaking. Said the entire Ibrawan wo ye we ni na say when the FBI for akwa konya deal inti Ibrawan per se wo expose ye Game Boys a wo Ghana ha inti na wo ye nsem we ni na ebi mu nso ka say Ibrawan akwa akoka Akufo-Addo ene Kennedy Japan no na say Game Boys on ebetro because Ibrawan is someone who wouldn't go down alone. Sa not it. Ono na semba no hwe na wo no pe ekofo mu a obonsa wa hya se wo bobo ebia Ghana ha say omo yes scam no obobo mpanyifo bi din say we yes scam nti ye che wo no Ibrawan na obonsa wo say mpanyifo no so ye den ebem. So that is what he has started. Wo bobo nkrofo bi din wo di owo to wo so including Kennedy Japan ankasa. Na montie ade bia Ibrawan Troye was say Kennedy, I warned you, if after 2 days you don't come out to apologize, else I am giving you and all your people 3rd day, else you will see, or say else you will start dying heartlessly. Montie ni ye we there to Kennedy Japan and ne 2 for no. Was say Kennedy, I warned you, if after 2 days you don't come out to apologize, else I am giving you and all your people 3rd day, else you will start dying heartlessly. Ibrawan say wo ni Kennedy Japan ene ne nkrofo na won na 2 no. Say wan ba bonten amba apologize ya. Kennedy Japan ne nkrofo no wo mo 2 days wo mo be patcho, otherwise the 3rd day wo be sure say wo mo ebewu. This is not the only thing Ibrawan has written. This is not the only thing he has written on Kennedy Japan. He has said a lot of things to the extent that even the president of the land were threatening say President Akufo-Addo. Sebe onu nso be free. Na owie no sanso tro ade bi fa Kennedy Japan was say Kennedy Japan, what were you doing in the house of JB Dankwa at the time of his death? Was say come out and speak on what happened to the 4 Takrade girls and also how the CID Tiwa was replaced. I say in some way Ibrawan kanono etiefo and so one Ibrawan etre chats of Onu Ibrawan no messages be I was sending Emma Kennedy Japan, a chat between him and Kennedy Japan, but Kennedy Japan wasn't replying. Kennedy Japan wasn't replying to the chat. And when Ibrawan says will show pictures of some fraudsters, just what say FBI for share some fraud phobia. And when the says will show pictures of those people. Well, we are not sure, BB or say the FBI has landed in Accra yesterday. They are after some few people. I promise to help them pick all those fraud, illegal dealers, money launderers, import and export of drugs and stolen cars, pastors, politicians, churches, MTN, fraud boys, and everyone will be smoked out. As someone Ibrawan Kenny, It's a story and Crawford can say Ibra1 on the FBI phone a year we are. I say, one no idea what can and say the credit one FBI for I have a BB. Now we are not any day Kennedy Japan attempted there. And easy. Any a Kufuado. They be not afraid Kufuado. That short man. Coronavirus is fake. Just say. And some Ketwa. But say Kennedy Japan is the one responsible for the death of Anas Arimaya, Anas co-worker, and JB Dankwa. I don't want to go hard on him, but he's not cooperating. I'll soon expose all those who do blood sacrifice for money in East Legon. They better talk. As someone walk and know, Ibra1, Bupo, just a washa says one also can someone for Kennedy Japan one. Easy. Now, Ibra1 we no. And we post a picture of Onoani Fie. Once I Kennedy Japan because of Obama Yachi or no Ibra1. And Ibra1 may post a picture of Nifi no castle. We be in the gate at all. We be anywhere. We be to me about channel. Police ni national security be anywhere be to me about almost your more bem or more brand better than we be in the gate at all. As someone Ibra1 kind no. Now cash in our deccan when they say, Ken, my gate is going to remain opened like this for 2 solid days. I did this just to show you how messy I am. On the 3rd day, you people will start to die. Even that your stupid short president will be part of the corpse. Whoa. Emra Ibra1 Kennedy Japan I said, we may make a say, I am on Kennedy Japan side. I have seen comments people saying, oh, you are a blogger, you are not supposed to pick a side. But I am a blogger. But look at what someone is saying. The person is calling our president short. Even if you don't like our president, it is okay. But to call him a short man. And I say, Ebia, or say stupid short man. As someone walk, or say stupid short president. I was also threatening say the president will die. When Kennedy Japan will die. And you are telling me, say between Ibra1 and Kennedy Japan, no, I am not supposed to pick sides. That's what you are telling me. Someone talking this way against our president. And you don't want, because I am a blogger, you don't want me to use my voice to speak against something like this. No, I will not do that. I will not do that. It's more Amoka said, don't pick sides between Ibra1 and Ken. Don't pick sides. I have told you the side I belong to. I feel say Ibra1 or this just say in same be a war can in yama be a warrior no me feel say Dabi. He needs help. He needs medical help. Mami read there somewhere or can you say Ken, my gate is going to remain open like this for 2 solid days. I did this just to show you, just to show you how messy I am. On the 3rd day, you people will start to die. Even that your stupid short president will be part of the corpse. Even Bill Gates will look for me just to forgive him. Bill Gates has somewhere with their baby. You see, that's what I'm saying, sir. Ibra1 ni krano. Make Kennedy Japan were responding to Ibra1 no mimi hu ne se nanka o se Kennedy Japan ja Ibra1 ne ma ebia justice ko kwanan mo ono Kennedy Japan ne kra no and yesterday Kennedy Japan himself confirmed ono kra ka se ne kra ase danke ni kwan kra se tre se utumi se nsem a branch no wo ka no ase nyama bi nsisi so sisi a wa akọbọ Bill Gates din ni na was my gate is going to remain like this to prove to you no living creature can come to my house without invitation. Asema walk no. So we be jane puno no ato ho na wo bie ni ho. Adase ni bie ni ho nya dase ni mpo aboa bie ni ho kra obetumi awura wono Ibra1 ni fie. Also just to prove to you I am very serious. My main door is going to remain open like this to show you how merciful I am. Eno we no posti wa he abrantie a we posti picture bi say e on Snapchat and you feel the person is okay. That be me, I feel say Ibra1 has a problem, but in some no he has dead Kennedy Japan so the watching and they say wo be there no asem way afiansa eba nkofo bebe react to it on social media. We call Twitter and then I say Ibra1 is trending at number 1. Kennedy Japan is also trending at number 2. And then we have a field day. One time I comment box in what